Okay, so I kind of know now why it wouldn't be working. So what we've done is we've installed it. So then click down on File, go to Preferences, and you want File Locations. Open that, go to Plugin Filters, Browse, and where are we? Find the filters or plugins folder, whichever one you used. Click that. I'm not doing it because I've already got that set on mine. And then click OK. Then close out Paint Shop Pro. Ignore that. And when you click on Effects, it should come up with plugin filters, and it should be on there under Optic Verve. And there you go. So just scroll through them, and you can see the different things it can do to them. There you go. So then what you would do, as I told you on the lesson, is you would copy the original, edit copy, go back, edit, paste as a new layer, and then play with your opacities like so. Oh, I just stopped this thing. Ah! Go away!